Since 1990, United Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing has been installing heating, cooling, and plumbing systems for many of Kansas City's finest home communities. Now we're ready to serve you too. With qualified trained technicians, radio dispatched, and fully stocked trucks, we can repair anything from a leaky faucet to service or replace existing heating and cooling systems and everything in between, including boilers. You've seen our service trucks in your neighborhood. Now is the time to try United Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. We look forward to serving you.